Today, I'm in a hurry to tell you how to make this amazing Valentine's gift in book folding technique. As it appears from its name, we're going to use a book. Basically, any book will do. I got mine at a second-hand bookstore. First, let's find the middle of our book. Mine has 629 pages and the foliation starts from page 5. So the middle is somewhere around page 312. Here it is. Then we need to fold back half of the pages we need for the heart towards the beginning of the book. For a large heart, we will need 84 pages, 42 for a medium and 20 for a small one. Follow the link in description to see the schemes for all 3 hearts, and they're different in volume. This page will be my first. We're going to make 2 marks on each page. Take a look at the scheme. Every line is 2 numbers. 1 line equals 1 page. Apply a ruler to the top of the page, make a mark relevant to the first number of the line and then the second number of the line, and make the marks on each page the same way. A large heart requires 172 pages, a medium one 84, and a small one 40 pages. Now let's start folding. Fold the top corner of the page like this, and the bottom one like that. Make sure you fix the bands well. Put the ruler to the mark and fix it parallel to the lines. A transparent ruler is definitely the best for this. Carry on this meditation until there are no more marks left. I was making a large heart, and all along my 172 pages I had some time to experiment. First I decided to fold only the top corners, and then just the bottom ones. And then I turned the book. These 2 life hacks worked perfectly. It was very convenient to work. And now see what I got in the end. Notice that the heart doesn't look symmetrical. On this half I was fixing the bands better as compared to this one. Now we need to take a ruler and fix the bands on the second half once again. And finally, here's our heart. So long awaited and so beautiful. Now let's do some work on the book cover. I took a piece of beautiful fabric and cut out a rectangle. It should be larger than the cover, about 1.5 or 2 centimeters on each side. Spread the fabric evenly, stretch it a little, and we can start gluing. I'm using a glue gun, but you can use any fast dry glue that you like. First, let's fix the sides. And now we'll do the binding edge. Grab scissors and make the cuts following its lines. Add a drop of glue on the inside of the binding edge and glue the cut piece to it. Do the same on the other side. Now let's move on to the top. Add a drop of glue and make a little corner like this. And now fix the rest of the fabric. So we get a very nice and neat looking corner. Do the same on all sides. Now let's hide the fabric edges by gluing the first dense page onto the cover. And that's it. Looks kind of cool, doesn't it? To complete the composition, let's add a ribbon and a flower. To see how these flowers are made, you can take a look at my workshop on a Christmas wreath. Look what a miracle I've got. Create beauty, give it away to your loved ones, and happy holidays, y'all.